We're finishing up a burn here on Nature Conservancy property, Piney Grove Preserve. Today about 250 acre block of mature pine, been burned many times before. We're burning it to keep this structure in place for multiple red-cockaded woodpecker clusters that are in these blocks. So fire today went pretty well. Hottest day of the year, I think, so far. Temperatures were in the mid 70s. RH actually we're low today, with the bottom end of our forecast prescription around low 20s. So we had to kind of go easy today to make sure we didn't blow up the stand. I think we're good here. I mean,
I wish I'd have done it. The reason there's that in there is the blackberry wetland. It goes up, so I quit lighting and then walked back around. So it's actually kind of moving that one now.
Take that, holly tree.
getting right off this little corner.
Why are we getting a northwest wind?
Because we're right on this little corner, I think.
Are the
Top smoke's still going more west.
Yeah.
This is not going to be fun here.
Okay, and Dennis's crew is out, right?
They are going down to burn away woodpecker trees.
They're doing these little ones down here.
I don't know, it shows some right in there.
God, I can't see. No, this stuff down here.
Oh, okay.
So so they walk down here to do this.
They're done with that.
And then they're just going to come down here then, down to the road, I presume, and do whatever.
Supposedly there's a few right here on the other side. I don't know. I guess that's what why there's no trees in it.
And we also had a drone that we were using today. So the drone is right there, which you probably can't see because it's small. But I've been using it the past few days to do interior ignition rather than have people traipse back and forth through these units, because that has some safety concerns, and also it just plain wears folks out when you burn hundreds and hundreds of acres in a week. So we're hoping the drone saves us some of that, and also provides some efficiency in firing operations. So we went from a lot of rain and cold temperatures to a spike in the temperature. It was pushing 80 degrees today, 75, 77 degrees. Relative humidities followed the temperatures down, so we were at our basically at the bottom end of our burn prescription today, low 20s for relative humidity. So we kind of wanted to take it easy, putting fire in the ground today. So we pushed some fire back in here, some long strips and then some gaps, and just kind of let it push back in here and then close itself together, with very little wind to push it today, enough to keep the heat out of the canopy, but not enough to really cause problematic fire behavior. A little more wind through this this stuff, and we'd be seeing a bit different fire behavior probably. There's 10-foot flame lengths there, where it's aligned a little better with the wind. These very open stands like this, it's hard to hurt them at this point. There's no ladder, so even though we're generating, 8 or 10-foot flames, there's nothing to elevate it up into the canopy, really, even on a warm, dry day like this. It will get hot, though. It will get hot.